My beloved child, listen closely. This message is not meant for the crowd, but for your heart alone. You did not arrive here by accident. Every step, every delay, every moment that felt confusing has led you right to this sacred moment. Heaven has been waiting for you to hear this. I see how you've been searching for a sign, a word, a whisper, something that reminds you that I still care. And so I say to you now, this is that sign. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You have always been seen, even in the moments when no one else noticed. You have carried burdens in silence, pretending to be strong when your heart was breaking. I watched you cry quietly, afraid to show your pain. I was there. Every tear that fell was caught in my hand. I have never looked away, not even once. There were nights when you thought no one could possibly understand what you were going through. But I understood it all. The weight, the fear, the loneliness. When you whispered, "God, are you even here?" I answered in the stillness of your spirit, even if you didn't realize it was me. You thought you were forgotten, but I was preparing you. You thought the waiting meant I had said no, but it meant I was arranging something greater than you could imagine. My timing is never late, even when it feels delayed. What I am about to do will make sense of all your tears. My child, the enemy tried to convince you that I left you, but that was a lie. The truth is, I never left your side. When the battle raged hardest, I stood in front of you, shielding you from the blows you could not see. You are still standing because I protected you when you didn't even know you needed it. You have survived storms that were meant to destroy you. Do you realize that? Every time life tried to break you, my hand lifted you. Every time you fell apart, I whispered strength back into your soul. That's why you are still here, not by luck, but by my grace. This message, this very moment, is my call to your spirit. I am saying to you, don't leave now. Don't scroll away. Don't ignore this. What you are about to hear is part of the healing you've been praying for. Heaven arranged this encounter with divine precision. You are not just hearing random words. You are receiving a message written for your life. Before you woke up today, I already knew you would find this. I placed it in your path as a reminder that I am still speaking to you, still moving in your story. I know your heart has grown tired from disappointment. I know how much you've tried to fix everything on your own. You've reached a point where you wonder if things will ever change. But listen to me. Nothing is too hard for me. What feels impossible to you is simple for me. You keep asking, God, when will things turn around? And I tell you now, the turning point begins here. The fact that you are still listening means your spirit recognizes my voice. This moment marks the beginning of something new, a divine realignment that will shift your path. My child, I am not angry with you. I am not disappointed in you. I am proud of how far you've come, even when you didn't see progress. I have seen the effort, the endurance, and the love in your heart. You have been faithful through pain, and I honor that. You are not lost. You are being led. Every delay was direction. Every rejection was redirection. I am not punishing you. I am protecting you. The closed doors were never rejection. They were my way of steering you towards something better. Now, I ask you, stay with me a little longer. Don't walk away. What I am about to reveal will answer the questions that kept you awake at night. This message is the key to your next season. Listen carefully, for what comes next will bring light where there has been darkness and peace where there has been pain. My beloved child, now that you have stayed to hear my words, I will reveal what I have prepared for you. I have seen your struggles, your silent prayers, and your hidden pain. Nothing has escaped my notice. Not one tear, not one sigh, not one moment of despair. I tell you this with certainty. The season of delay is ending. The time of confusion is over. The prayers you thought had gone unanswered have been gathering before my throne like incense. And now the time has come for you to see my hand move. I am already solving the problems you cannot solve on your own. Even as you listen to this message, My angels are being dispatched to places you cannot see, to arrange breakthroughs that will surprise you. You will soon know that I have been working behind the scenes all along. I will restore peace to your heart and your home. Where there has been conflict, there will be reconciliation. Where there has been distance, there will be closeness. What was broken will be made whole, and what was lost will be returned in better form than before. I am opening doors that no person can shut. The opportunities you thought were gone forever will be replaced by ones designed specifically for you. Every closed door was not a punishment, but a redirection to something higher, something greater, something blessed. I will provide for you in ways that will astonish you. Financial pressures, debts, and needs that weigh you down are not hidden from me. I am the one who multiplies, and I will make sure that you have enough, not just to survive, but to thrive. The relationships in your life that need healing, I am already at work in them. Forgiveness will flow, hearts will soften, and walls will come down. I will mend what others thought could never be mended, because I am the God of reconciliation. Just as I calm the storms of the sea, I will calm the storms of your mind. The anxiety, the sleepless nights, the endless worry, I am lifting them off of you right now. In their place, I am giving you peace, peace that no one can take away. Release your fears, my child. Let go of the bitterness, the anger, and the regrets that have kept you bound. They are chains I am breaking even now. The past will no longer define you, for I am writing a new chapter in your story. Do not doubt my power, even when you cannot see it. Faith is believing before the evidence appears. Trust me, because what I am about to do will happen suddenly, and it will leave no question in your mind that it was me. I am sending signs and confirmations. Before this season ends, you will see doors open, relationships shift, and opportunities align. These will not be coincidences. They will be proofs of my presence in your life. You will walk into blessings you did not earn, favor you did not expect, and protection you did not even pray for. I'm not only answering the prayers you spoke aloud, but also the prayers you could not find the words to say. Take courage, my child. The waiting season has refined you, but now comes the season of restoration. Everything the enemy tried to steal from you, your peace, your joy, your hope, I am restoring it all, multiplied. Lift up your eyes and take heart. Your story is not over, it is turning. I am about to do a new thing in your life, and all will see that I, the Lord, am with you. Stay close to me, because this is only the beginning of what I will reveal. Now, my beloved child, you have heard my words and felt my presence. This is not the end of my message. It is the beginning of your transformation. What I have spoken is not just for comfort. It is a call to rise, to believe, and to walk in faith. Do not let fear silence the hope that is awakened inside you. I am planting new faith in your spirit right now. It may feel small, like a seed, but if you nurture it, it will grow into strength that no storm can shake. Let go of the heavy things you've been carrying. Lay them down at my feet. You were never meant to carry those burdens alone. When you release them, I can move freely in your life. Surrender is not weakness. It is the doorway to miracles. You've asked me to change your circumstances, but today I am asking to change you. Let me shape your heart, heal your wounds, and renew your vision. When I transform what's inside of you, everything around you begins to shift. Walk forward in faith, even if you don't see the full path ahead. I am the one lighting your next step. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to trust that I am already there, waiting in your tomorrow. When doubt tries to whisper, remember what I have promised you. Speak faith over your life. Say it out loud. God is with me. God is working. God will not fail me. Every word of faith releases light into your future. Forgive where it hurts to forgive. Love where it feels undeserved. I know it isn't easy, but forgiveness opens the floodgates of blessing. When you let go of resentment, you make space for my healing to flow freely. Do not look back with regret. The past cannot hold you anymore. What I am doing now is new, fresh, alive, and full of promise. Stop replaying what went wrong and start expecting what will go right. Your story is not defined by failure, but by grace. Every mistake you made, I am turning into wisdom. Every loss you faced, I am turning into testimony. You are not who you were yesterday. You are being made new even now. I am calling you to be brave, to speak when others stay silent, to believe when others give up, to trust me completely, because I am the author of your destiny. Nothing and no one can stop what I have ordained for your life. Keep your eyes on me, not on the problem, not on the past, not on the fear, on me. I am your source, your healer, your guide. When your focus is on me, peace will rule your heart even when life feels uncertain. You will soon look back and realize that everything I promised came to pass, not because of your strength, but because of your faith. It was never about being perfect. It was about believing that I could still use you despite the imperfections. Now rise, my child. Stand in the light I have placed before you. This is your moment to walk with confidence, to live with purpose, and to shine with the love I've poured into you. The world needs what I have placed inside your spirit. This message was not random. It was heaven's appointment, a divine reminder that I am not finished with you. Go forward now with peace in your heart and faith in your steps. Your new season has begun, and I am walking with you every moment of the way.